Okay, day 5 notes. Last section before we get ready for the quiz. So objective is to find area of triangles and rectangles on the coordinate plane. So it's more of the same. So again, the distance formula, just going to do this once. It's a big square root. And like I said, I like to start off, whoops, so much in the habit. I like to do this, and then fill in my numbers afterwards. So, remember, if you need to do this, x, y, whatever, and make sure you know which direction you're going, so you go the same way. So I'm going to do 0 minus 4, and 4 minus 7. It doesn't matter, I'm going to get negative numbers. Negative 4, because I'm going to square it. The negative 3, I'm going to square it. So that's going to give me square root of 16 plus 9, which is 25, which means the distance is 5. Don't need to do it a second time. Okay? Only difference here is you want to pay attention that if you did this one, it'd be 3 minus negative 2, which is the same as 3 plus 2. You've got to pay attention to that. You can't always avoid it. And that's why I like to do this setup first, so that in case I have a negative after that, I remember to write the negative and have that double negative. Find the area of a rectangle. Quick review. If this is 3 and this is 5 inches, area of a rectangle is just base times height, or length times width. So it's going to be 15 inches squared. Area of a triangle with a base of 12 and a height of 5. Height there, base there. Remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So that's going to be 1/2 of 12 times 5. 1/2 of 12 is 6 times 5 is 30 centimeters squared. So we're going to plot the following points. Negative 5, 7. Going to be up here. 8, 7. Going to be up here. 8, negative 1. And 5, negative 1. I think I did something wrong. Negative 5. For one thing, negative 6, 7. Negative 5, 7. Positive 8, 7. Oh, I did negative 5, sorry. My mistake. Maybe something was wrong. Negative 5, negative 1. Okay, so there are my points. And that was horrible, sorry. Since all my lines are horizontal and vertical, I don't have to do the distance formula. I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13 and this is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. Now, if these lines were slanted, I'd have to use the distance formula, but there's no reason to do it otherwise. Area equals 7 times 13, which is 7 times 3 is 21, period 2, 91 units squared. So here we go, negative 4, 1, 6, 6, 8, 2, negative 2, negative 3. So negative 4, 1 is A, B, C, D. Now since this one is tilted, we are going to have to do the distance formula for all 4. So I'm going to go to a new page, and I'm going to just work out the problems and then come back to the video. Okay, so if you look at this, it says it's a rectangle. If you know it's a rectangle, rectangle, then we know opposite sides are congruent. So I don't have to do 4 formulas, I only had to do 2. So if you notice here, you want to hit pause and copy this down, you can. You don't have to. You can just copy down the answers if you like. Or at least pay attention to what happened. So from A to B, I was going this direction, did negative, and remember, we needed to label your x's and y's, negative 4 minus 6 and 1 minus 6. Okay? They gave me a square root of 125 for an answer. As a decimal, it's 11.2. Depending on what the directions have, you need to be able to answer both ways. If it asks for the decimal, it would round to 11.2. If it asks for the exact answer, no decimals, this would simplify to 25 times 5, so 5 radical 5 for AB. So AB is 5 radical 5. What did I say? 11.2? Depending on what the directions asked for. And then BC, again, I went this direction, 6 minus 8 and 6 minus 2. And I got radical 20, which rounds to about 4.5, or 2 radical 5. 4.5 or 2 radical 5. So that means we're finding the area. The area, depending on what the directions asked for, is going to be 11.2 times 4.5, which equals 50.4 units squared, or 2 root 5 times 4 root 5? 5 root 5. Which, 2 times 5 is 10. 5 root 5 times root 5 is 5. That would work out to be 50 units squared. Okay? So, which, it's pretty close to that, 50.4 rounded. Okay. This is more of the same, except this is a triangle. Negative 8 minus 4. 5 minus 4. And 0, 7. And we have A, B, and C. Again, though, find the length of the base, we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The height, we can just count straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The height is 11. The area, we don't have to do the distance formula on this one. The area is 1/2 11 times 13, which is 71.5 units squared. Okay, negative 7, 0, right here, 5, 9, right there, and 4, 0. Find the length of the base. Well, once again, we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The height. That would be a straight line down here. So we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the area is 1/2 the base times the height. So 90 99 times 1/2 divided by 2, 49.5 units squared. And that's it.